Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a little tip that the Pleiadians have for us to manage the current energies. They are going to be teaching us a very simple energy tool to help us access fifth dimensional energies when we are out bumping around in the 3D world. But before we jump into today's topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. Now, as we are starting to move into the winter season, starting to move into the holidays, which can be a kind of choppy time for a lot of folks, the P's wanted to help us by giving us a little holiday energy tool to help us navigate the holiday season, because this is just a time that is really stressful for a lot of people. For some people, they just kind of wish they could blink and have the holidays just disappear. And for others, this is a really fun, wonderful, exciting time of year. But no matter what you are doing in the holidays, you are probably going to be interacting with a lot of people that you don't necessarily spend a lot of time with, whether it is parties with the coworkers or seeing long-lost relatives. We all tend to bump around in 3D energy more than usual this time of year. So the P's are going to share a simple little energy tool with you today to help you navigate the holiday energies. In case you notice you're getting a little more contact with the 3D world than you are used to. So what the P's wanted to talk about in today's video is how to help us stay connected to the higher vibrational energies that we've all been working so hard to access. So if you've been on your spiritual path for a while, you probably are doing all of your spiritual practices every day, working on your consciousness. And we want to be able to hold on to all that great work that we've done and not lose track of it because we're having to go bump around more than usual in the 3D world. Again, we tend to be visiting with people that we don't spend as much time with, getting together with people that we might not choose to spend all of our free time with. So today we're going to talk about a simple little energy tool that can help you stay connected to the 5D energies, even if you've got to go out to a bunch of events that might be with people who are on very different vibrational channels than you are. So what the P's wanted to talk about is how we can maintain our higher vibration when we are out and about in a world that is rushing around doing a million things. It's very easy for us to get swept up in the busyness, the sense of anxiety that often comes along with the holidays. So what the P's wanted to encourage us to do is take advantage of our connection with our higher self. As we have been gradually raising our energies over the past 3 to 5 years, one of the great benefits that comes along with that is we have much more ready access to our higher self. And you can think of this as access to your soul, to your master consciousness, to your higher self, whatever word feels best to you. We have access to that broader multidimensional part of ourself. And we can do that really easily because one of the cool things about working more with our higher self, or that soul level of ourself, is that our soul has access to every frequency we have ever experienced. Through every past lifetime, future lifetime, parallel lifetime, at the soul level, you have lived and experienced it all. But the cool thing is, we are now high enough on the vibrational ladder that we can start to pull in frequencies from outside the 3D grid. For a long time, we were kind of limited to the very low frequency on this planet, but that is not the case anymore. We now can go outside of the 3D grid and pull in higher dimensional frequencies from our higher self. And this is a very simple but powerful energy tool. So one of the things that the P's had encouraged me to do recently was to reach up to my higher self and pull down the energy of magic and miracles. Because when we look at some of the lives that our soul has experienced in the higher planes, which we have all done, we have access to truly high vibrational, miraculous vibration. We have lived in the higher realms, the angelic realms, the very highest of dimensional scales, and we have access now to bring that vibration down into the human plane. So by connecting our intention with our higher self, we can actually ask our higher self to download these higher frequencies to us. So one of the energies that P's had me playing around with over the past month is the energy of magic and miracles. Because isn't that what we would all love to see more of in our life? Miraculous solutions, miraculous answers to problems, things that look like pure magic. We have access to that when we tap into the energy of our higher self, because our higher self has done it all. And all we have to do is connect with our higher self and download that frequency. So a simple way to do that is just to imagine that you are connecting yourself with a tube of light to your higher self and asking your higher self to pour down the vibration of your choosing, just to flow it down over you, flowing down through your body and your aura, cleaning out all of your chakras as it goes. Because as you do this, you start to pull in higher dimensional frequency. All those parts of you and your soul that are existing outside of our little 3D human game. Because when you look around at our outside reality, we don't see a whole lot of magic and miracles, right? This is not an energy that is really common on our planet right now, but we have access to this from the higher parts of our consciousness. So with this simple little tool of using your imagination to reach up and ask your higher self to fill you with the energy of your choosing, and imagining that a stream of beautiful pink sparkly energy, or choose the color that sounds good to you, is pouring down over you and filling you up. What you are actually doing is allowing yourself to be filled with higher vibrational energy. And you can choose to download whatever feels good to you. Maybe you need the energy of freedom. You're just feeling caged in, feeling like everything is kind of collapsing in on you. Go up to your higher self and pull down the energy of freedom. Maybe you need to feel more confidence. Well, there are so many of your parallel lifetimes where you have had confidence in spades. So go up to your higher self and pull down what you need. Because as we do this, as we take advantage of pulling these energies in from our higher consciousness, we keep ourselves plugged in to higher vibrational states of being. And as we do that, of course, we radiate that to everyone around us. So this is a very simple little energy trick that the P's have been recommending lately to help us stay plugged in to the higher realms and dimensions, even when we're out in the world bumping around in lower timelines. So just wanted to offer you this little holiday trick, this little tip to keep yourself connected to the higher energies, no matter what you may be having to do in your daily life. So that is what the P's wanted to share with you in today's POV. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.